Hey everybody, I'm going to walk you through how to put in a cemetery lettering order on my new Stonespot software. I'm just going to put in a fake one for right now so that you can see all the steps that you need to do in order to get an order in. For starters, just add new quote order. This should be the screen that you see when you log in. From there, your information should be up here for whatever company you work for. I like to change the default profile to cemetery lettering because that simplifies the form. As far as cemetery goes, just click the drop down, and if the cemetery is not in the drop down, please leave this area blank, and you can type a note over here that says please add cemetery, and it will come to me for me to add that. Now, if the cemetery is in here, let's just take, for instance, let's go to Greenwood Cemetery in Clay Center. When you click this, you're going to be able to hit Show Details. And it's going to show the address if I have it in there. It's also going to be able to put in the section, block, lot, row, and plot number. Or better yet, if you know where the stone is in the cemetery, you'll be able to click it and put a pin in the location or general vicinity of where the stone is, and that will allow me to be able to drive right to it. In order to close this, just close the box, and then once you're done here, if you have any instructions or anything right here, just put that there as far as delivery instructions if I need to get a hold of somebody or anything like that. Then if you want to close this, just hit Hide Details, and here's where you're going to put your personal information for the decedent. First name, last name. If you want to put the date of birth, but if I'm just doing a final date, you can just put the date of passing. All that information is going to pop up down here. You don't need to do anything with that at this time. So that pretty much covers this side of it. Now, the great part about it is once you've entered an order, we can communicate through the post message section for that particular order. So everything will be tracked. The confirming obit is for me. I do confirm obituaries on every order we receive. That's our first step, just to make sure that nobody's making a mistake. Don't worry about doing any tags at this moment. Now, if you did have a quote, like you wanted me to quote a specific job that's generally not in my price book, you can just click quote, and then right here in the file storage, you can add any kind of pictures you want. So if you have a picture of the monument, you have a picture of the original order, you can drop all that right there. This is the approval section. So if you wanted a drawing, you can drop that in there, and then it tells me that you'll need to have a drawing and we'll need to have it approved before we do any more work. And then when I get done doing a engraving for you, I will drop all of the final products in the client viewing section for you to review. Other than that, that is pretty much it. Just remember that if the cemetery is not in the drop down, then please leave this blank and just tell me the cemetery name. Or if you can find it on Find a Grave, you can post, I think you can put the link in here. If not, just type in the cemetery name and I'll get it added. I think that should be it. Hopefully that'll help you get the orders put in. Have a good day.